D.i.y
Productions.
When you're fresh like me, all the chicks gon' watch ya. Inside of my closet look like Foot Locker. Every pair of J's dating back to 1993, and the pair Kenyon Martin wore back at UC. Every fitted you see, match the shoes perfectly. When you think I can't get hotter, add 10 degrees. I used to skip class when the J's came out. Return with a bag, but I wore them things out. Red speckles stretch across the black shoestrings. In the Queen City, I be the red and black king. I got a harem full of dimes that's after my jewels, some after my footwork. I carry the tools with so much swagger. I gotta be a rapper. With so much red, they say I gotta be a capper. I admit, females' fingertips swim through my waves, but I do my own thing, rock these colors every day. Red and black J's, red and black natty hat, rock Chicago Bulls or the Cincinnati Bearcats.